This is the tank for refillable. It has the port that'll fit into the coupling for refilling the tank. The other tanks don't have this port, so this is considered a refillable tank.
Got it.
This is the home fill system. This is the top half of the unit. This is a standard concentrator. It's providing oxygen both to the patient and up to the home fill unit. This coupling has little green dots. You need to be able to see those green dots before you can put the tank on. So if the coupling comes up flush, just push back down on the coupling until you see the green dots. Then it's ready to go.
Good.
Always have the machine turned off unless there's a tank on it. So if you're going to take the tank off, shut the machine off. If you're going to install it, make sure it's turned off first. All you do is take the dust cap off of the port, set the tank up on here, click in, and then make sure that it's on there tight. This is the handle that turns the tank on and off, so you always want to make sure that that tank is turned off. Clockwise is turned off, to the left is on. So right now we got it turned off, it's ready to fill. When we first turn the machine on, it has a series of lights and an alarm that are going to go off just to do a self-test. Then it'll go to the yellow light, which is a sensing light. Stay there for about 5 minutes and it'll switch over to the filling green light. It takes about 3.5 hours to fill this size tank. This is called a letter D tank.
Okay.
So there's the alarm. You heard the tone. It went to the sensing. Then you just watch to make sure that it switches over to filling. When it gets done, internally it'll shut off and stop pumping, but the green light will stay on until you shut this switch off.
So how do you know it's full?
Right, it's going to go over to the full light right there.
Oh, full light. Okay.
Yep. And you could put this tank on at night and go to bed. It'll shut itself off and leave the full light on, so you know in the morning it's full. You just shut that switch off and then take the tank off.
Okay.
To remove the tank, you just push down on the coupler and the tank will pop right off.
Okay, why don't you go ahead and shut it off and do that?
Alright, we're going to shut the off as if it's full, and then you grab the coupling and push down and lift the tank right off of the coupling.
Okay, very good.
Okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Leave that one on, let it fill up. So